What can be said about firms such as these? Where do we have the reference? The reference is there in the second paragraph where it says that these firms are using new consensus mechanisms targeted towards accelerating the process of transactions. And later it says that evolution of consensus mechanisms will improve blockchain speed, which is a good news for several applications. So we need to answer this question in this context. Answer choice A. The work of these firms can positively affect a wide range of business applications. Yes, this is the exact thought presented here, where it says that these firms are working on new consensus mechanisms, and new consensus mechanisms can improve blockchain speed, which is going to be a good news for several applications. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice B. These firms are more likely to be successful than other blockchain firms. The passage makes no comparison between the possibility of success of any of the blockchain firms. So this answer choice can be ruled out. Answer choice C. These firms would build customized business applications. The passage makes no reference to customized business applications. So this answer choice can be removed. Answer choice D. Blockchain by these firms is going to be more accurate in tracking financial transactions. The passage makes no such claim, so this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E. The blockchain by these firms can either improve speed or reduce malicious activity. The passage doesn't mention any such trade-off, so this answer choice can be eliminated. So overall, we see that answer choice A is the correct answer.